Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. I am making Rocky Mountain oysters for the first time, and we are all going to try it for the first time. And for those of you that don't know what that is, Rocky Mountain oysters, also known as sheep testicles or ram balls, as Dylan just said. So these are from lamb that we raised here on our farm. So this is our first time trying these. So I'm going to show you how you cut the membrane off and show you how I'm going to cook it tonight. So this should be interesting. All right, you can kind of see here the difference of the two. This one has already been cut, and I'm going to show you how to cut the outer membrane off, or the sac off the outside. So basically, there's two ends that you want to cut off. Okay, I was struggling there a bit, but I just cut both ends, and then you're going to make a little slice in it. And it said you should be able just to kind of squeeze it out like that. And so it's going to be attached here, so you have to slice this part off as well. Okay, once you have cut the ends and got this outer membrane completely cut off, you're going to make a nice little thin slice. There's another layer that you need to kind of like peel off. So I just kind of started a little slice there. You need to do a little bit more. So you're getting down to the meat. There we go. Then they said it's like peeling a hard-boiled egg. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. Okay, there we are. Okay, I was struggling there a little bit. For those of you that know me, know that me and knives don't really go good together, so I don't have really good knife skills. But anyway, I accomplished what I needed to. From this point, I read and watched a few videos, and they say to soak these overnight in salt water or milk. The sheep testes tend to have a really strong flavor, more so than if they were beef, but we're really used to lamb around here and eating organ meats, so I'm actually going to skip that step. Right now I'm just kind of rinsing them off in salt water. And then the next step I'm going to do is boil them for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to batter them and fry them. Kind of like French fries, ball fries, ball nuggets, lamb nuggets? I don't know. This should be fun. So I'm going to go ahead and stick these in boiling water for about 10 minutes. I'll be right back. So this isn't going to be our main meal or for supper tonight. This is going to be a little appetizer. We're actually having lamb chops and fresh green beans, probably sweet potato, but the appetizer is fried Rocky Mountain oysters. All right, we got a nice little light boil here. I'm gonna stick these babies in. Set the timer for 10 minutes. I boiled them for 10 minutes, and the recipe that I'm going off of said to make sure that they are cooked all the way through. So I'm gonna go ahead, let these cool, and then I'm gonna slice them and make sure that they are cooked all the way through. We're gonna bread them, fry them, try them. Okay, they're pretty cooled off, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some slices. And basically it said that it should have a consistency of a hot dog, which it really does. And definitely looks like, whew, that's still hot. It looks like it is cooked all the way through. When you I've sliced them into little, you know, bite-sized pieces or nuggets. So, in my flour, I mixed pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. So, I mixed that all in here. We are going to batter these babies up and fry them. Okay, we've moved over here by the frying pan. I think the oil is pretty warm. Oh, I'm going to put them in the flour first. I think I did way too much flour here. Okay, flour into the egg. And back into the flour. They're slippery little suckers. There we go. My oil like evaporated. We're gonna try our tasty testies. Okay, I think they're pretty much done. It was like a, I don't know, couple minutes maybe not even that on each side. It's basically browning it, so I think they're ready to go. So it's time for the taste test. All right, here we go.
Who goes first?
Me. No, we're all going together. We're all going together. Everybody pick one.
Youngest to oldest.
What? It's hot. We have some dipping sauce, ketchup. Oh, wait. We got cheers. It's hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Tastes like chicken. A chicken nugget.
good.
Yeah.
We're going back for more.
Yeah.
Literally just tastes like chicken nuggets.
It really
It kind
does.
of does.
This is our appetizer.
Okay.
They're good.
Maybe it's because I'm a good cook.
Probably has something to do with it. Yummy.
Oh,
Very hot.
hot, but it's good.
Rocky Mountain oysters win.
I like it.
Yeah.
Tastes like chicken nuggets.
It really does. All right, let us know in the comments if you have ever tried Rocky Mountain oysters, or if you has your kids ever tried them, and tell us if you like them or not.
Ah, hot.
I think they're delicious.
Yeah. That one didn't taste like chicken nugget.
Something funny I used to say when I tried to get Dylan to eat salmon patties. I always told him they were chicken patties. And yeah. So these are like chicken nuggets. So just tell your kids that if you want them to try it. If they're not willing to try new things.
We just about ate them all.
You're good.
I want more.
You want to have them on your birthday?
Okay.
That's your birthday meal? You think Grampy will eat them? Or Grammy? Grammy might get grossed out.
Yeah, she might get sick.
I think Lola thinks she needs one.
If you're still watching to the end and you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button. We're real close to 2,000 subscribers. We'd really appreciate it.
Yeah. 2 left.
How many did you eat?
I don't know.
Mom, did
Our
one.
main course is lamb chops.
Yummy.
That's what's for supper.
Lamb balls for appetizer, lamb chops for dinner.
Yay.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. So, I guess we like lamb balls. Rocky Mountain Oysters.
Yep.
It was a win. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos.
Peace.
Peace.
See you on the next
See
one.
you on the next one.